It is Tuesday, September 17th, and in honor of Constitution Week, we are out here with the Joshua Tattnall chapter of the Daughters of the American Revolution, and we're going to have a bell ringing using primarily this bell, starting promptly 4 o'clock. That's our Veterans Park in the background. There's our banner sign. And these are some of the folks that have showed up a little early. Some VFW members. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 our auxiliary. So we got folks showing up already, and this is going to go off right at 4 o'clock.